Hey, do you know you can customize your username in every different repositories you have. So suppose like in this repository I'm using marufkhan, but and if I go to this repository if I go to this repository I'm using only maruf. You see, this is only maruf and this is using a different email ID, and in this one I'm using marufkhan and this is using a different email address. So with this approach you can separate out your personal project and your professional or office projects differently with from the same computer, same Git. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, let me create a dummy file here. So just a text document. And if you first step I will go from the source tree. Okay, if you go to source tree, so in the file status, okay, so here you can see this is called marufkhan and this is my email ID, but you wanted to change this one, right? So go to settings, advanced. Here you can change your full name and email addresses. Like if I call it dummy, uh, dummy dummy@gmail.com, and if I click OK, so let me check it. Yeah, it's okay. Now I have to stage all. I have to just test and commit. I have to push my changes to the main branch. Okay, so this is pushed, and if I go to my GitLab account, you see dummy just pushed. And what is dummy's email ID? In the bottom of the screen you can see it's dummy@gmail.com. Okay, so I want to revert back to my official GitLab profile. So how can we do that? I'll copy my name. Okay, let's do it in the fork so that you can have a better understanding. So go to fork, uh, open the same repository settings for this repository. Okay, just paste it marufkhan, and the Gmail will be okay, this one. Now I would close this one. I would delete this one and stage test delete commit, and if I push this one, this should revert back to my official GitLab one. Let's check. Okay, you see, if I hovering my profile, this is showing me my official profile. So you can use this method with GitHub also. So just copy your full name and the email address and just paste it to the repository settings. Oh, and you can use different username into different repositories. But if you tick this one, use global grid credential, it will use same username and user email on the all repositories. But if you want to differentiate your personal and professional work, you can use this method.